Hi guys, so today I'm going to try out this stamping gel that I purchased recently from Born Pretty Store. The colour I've got is UR01 and it is silver. I think there's about 8 or 9 different choices. So this is an 8mm stamping gel. As you can see, it comes with one of these nozzles. And the way I've read the instructions is you apply your base colour, so I have 2 coats of blue on this nail here. It doesn't say if you have to remove the tacky layer before doing the stamping, so I haven't cleansed this. I'm going to leave it on, and I've just grabbed this image plate to try out. So as you saw there, it came out slowly, quite a thick sort of consistency of gel. So when I did place it down, you saw that I did have to do 2 or 3 swipes with the scraper just to make sure that I'd fully cleared the image before I tried to pick it up. The image was picked up easily and it's transferred easily as well, as you can see. I think it's not quite as crisp as it could be just because I didn't quite swipe enough of the polish off, but that's certainly something that I can learn from a bit more practice. I have cured this in an LED lamp for 30 seconds, so I'm now just going to apply the gel top coat to it. So that is the nail complete. It's definitely an interesting product. I have used normal polish before and stamped it over gel polish. You obviously have to be very careful it's 100% dry before you put the gel top coat on, but when you stamp with normal polish it's so thin and it dries so quick anyway, it's not really been an issue. I think this is a good product. It's interesting to try out. It means you don't have to worry about the drying times of normal polish. It'd be good to try a few more different colours, but as I said, I did get it off of Born Pretty Store, so feel free to look up the stamping gel there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.